Today we will read about Mahatma Gandhi. You know, Mahatma Gandhi is a great freedom fighter, and he is known for his non-violence fighting. And you know that Mahatma Gandhi is known as father of our nation. So let us read. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. He was the great peace-loving person. He was known a great freedom fighter. He struggled and fought for independence for his country through the weapons, satyagraha and non-violence. He said that his life was an experiment with truth in his biography entitled My Experiment with Truth. Gandhi was born at Porbandar in Gujarat on October 2, 1869. He was named Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. And what happens? Now, Mohandas Gandhi was the third of three boys born, Karamchand and Putlibai. Okay, he had a sister. They belonged to Baniya caste of Gujarat. They were Vaishnavatics by religious faith. His father Karamchand Gandhi was the Diwan. Diwan means Prime Minister, a head of this village or area of Porbandar, and later the Diwan of Rajkot also. As per the custom, the day Mohandas Gandhi married Kasturba, the daughter of Gokul Das Makhanji, at quite an early age of 13. Okay, this is the marriage picture of Mahatma Gandhi. Though married, he continued his studies in Bhavnagar, but his elder brother wanted him to go England for higher education, so he went to England and became a barrister. When he returned to India, he decided to practice law in a civil court. Okay, in Mumbai, on the first occasion, he was supposed to address the judge. He was afraid. He could not utter a word, so he quit practicing law in India. Mohandas Gandhi moved to South Africa to help a group of barristers. While in South Africa, he experienced how cruelly Indians were treated there. They were not respected. They were, Mahatma Gandhi, attorney. You see there the picture of Mahatma Gandhi. And after this, what happened? Now he arranged a meeting of local Indians in Pretoria and addressed the issue. This was Gandhi's first public speech. He spoke against the white superiority. So he himself had suffered indignity at the hands of a white man during a train journey. A white South African citizen who got into the first class compartment found him sitting there. Gandhi, a barrister, was holding a valid ticket. The white man was angry because a colored Indian dared to travel with him. So he had Gandhi thrown out the train in the middle of the night. South African law of apartheid did not permit the colored people to mix up with the white people. Then it was South Africa that Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi came upon the idea of satyagraha after initiating the struggle for removal the apartheid in South Africa. Gandhi returned to India in 1915. Gandhi decided that if he were to lead the fellow countrymen towards Swaraj or self-rule, he should get to know the people of India and their problems. He set a travel to the length and breadth of India in a third-class railway compartment. Therefore, people changed his name to Mahatma, meaning a great soul, and Bapu, meaning father. He lived in a simple life. He practiced truth and non-violence. People did not at first believe that non-violence could win them freedom, but he remained free. In the other hand, British rulers did not know how to deal with the enemy who preached peace. They had no idea how to combat a man whose only weapon was non-cooperation. So that non-cooperation movement, the major event that led to the freedom of India under Gandhi were Dandi March, the Quiet India movement, the Round Table Conference, the Simon Commission go back. He was imprisoned. Many times उसको अरेस्ट किया गया. and sometimes the British put him into a prison for long period. First unto death was his weapons. He used this unique weapon only against the British, but also against his own people when he strayed from the path of non-violence. So India became free on August 15 in 1947 by India was divided into two nations. See, one train is going to Karachi, Pakistan, another is going to Delhi. So at that time, thousands of poor people paid the price of the division that their lives. Communal riots broke out at many places. There was bloodshed in Bengal and Punjab. Gandhi went on a Padayatra visiting 49 affected villages covering a distance of 116 kilometers barefoot. When the stroke of midnight India became an independent nation, Gandhi was in the streets of Calcutta exhorting people of different communities to live in peace and harmony. Millions of Hindus and Sikhs from Pakistan sought refuge in Delhi, and September 4, 1947, hardly 3 weeks after independence, the streets of Delhi experienced riots and bloodshed. Gandhi reached Delhi on 9th September and visited the refugee camp. There was evidence that things were going out of control. Gandhi undertook a fast unto death on January 13, 1949 in order that all countrymen realize the need for unity and equality of the men. This brought the leaders to their senses. Gandhi extracted from them the promise of unity and peace. He broke the 1st January 1948. On January 30, when Gandhi was walking from his room to the peace of prayer in New Delhi, a fanatic named Nathuram Godse pointed a gun at him and fired. Gandhi fell, saying, "Hey Ram." The ideals and the message of Mahatma Gandhi are a source of inspiration not only for Indians but for the whole world. Thank you, student.